I don't think so. It's convenient for the kids to start the school in April, but I believe it should start in the June. That's because the temperature in Goa, especially in Goa, it's too hot. It's too damn hot, especially this year. I don't think so. The kids will be able to, come up with the studies, or maybe they will be able to concentrate on their studies in the hot climate. So whenever, even this hot climate might also, come up with the health issues. It might also get the health issues because of it. Even they might not be able to concentrate on it. Even they might have a stressful mind where they don't get, with the whole academic year, they have to be in the school overall, and they don't get the environment to play around, to grasp things outside the school. So I would suggest, they could get some time where they can grasp the things outside the school, where they can, evolve with the other activities apart from the school activities. So they could have that time of April and May for the same.
Thank you. Hi. What do you think about the school starting in April?
Well, I strongly oppose the decision of the government because where in NEP is it mentioned that the schools have to be starting in April. Firstly, considering the climatic conditions of Goa, it is not favorable. Being the heat is so strong in the month of April, and the government has nowhere provided good infrastructure in schools where the children will be comfortable to attend those classes under such extreme conditions. At the same time, there are children who engage in activities during the summer vacation, and there is no time for them to engage in those activities and enhance their skills. And also the holidays are being shortened for the fact they have been undergoing so much of pressure during the whole year, and that 2 months of vacation is really needed for them to start fresh for the coming academic year. So I feel it is not favorable for Goa, and also it is unfair to the children, putting so much pressure on them. And at the same time, it's pressurizing for the teachers as well, because they have to go for the correction of papers, and children are just called for 2 hours. What are they going to do for the 2 hours in school? It is really not fair, even if it means like the initial hiccups or whatsoever. I strongly oppose this, and the government should reconsider its decision. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi. अभी नया रूल आ रहा है कि स्कूल्स अप्रैल में चालू होने चाहिए. उसके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है?
नहीं चाहिए.
क्यों नहीं चाहिए?
गर्मी ज्यादा है ना, बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम होगी ना.
हाँ,
इसलिए नहीं चाहिए.
इसलिए नहीं चाहिए. करेक्ट. ओके. और कुछ?
नहीं. और
थैंक यू. हाय. Okay. What do you all have to say about the school starting in April? Are you all for it or against it?
I think it's against it because it doesn't suit for the climate. First of all, the climate condition won't help the kids. It's going to be a torture for the kids. Whether it's higher secondary, primary or whatever, but it doesn't suit the climate, first thing, and it will be a torture. April, I think it's no for April. I think the June will be, again, June
More comfortable.
more comfortable. So, yes for June, no for April.
Thank you.